Saturn's rings stretch across roughly 282,000 kilometers from edge to edge. That number is almost too large to hold in your mind. And yet, for most of that colossal span, the rings are barely 10 to 30 meters thick. A structure wider than the Earth-Moon gap, thin enough that if it were scaled to the size of a sheet of paper, that paper would be proportionally thinner than it actually is. But here's what makes that even stranger. Those rings are not solid. They are made almost entirely of water ice, chunks ranging from the size of a grain of sand to the size of a house, all orbiting Saturn in a silent, synchronized dance. 90 to 95% pure water ice, with traces of rocky debris and dust. And they move. The innermost particles complete a full orbit around Saturn in under 7 hours, traveling at roughly 72,000 kilometers per hour. The outer particles move more slowly, but even they never stop. Yet for most of human history, we had no idea any of this existed. When Galileo first observed Saturn in 1610 through an early telescope, he thought the planet had two large companions flanking it. He never realized he was looking at a ring system at all. Even more surprising, Saturn's rings are geologically young. Current research suggests they formed somewhere between 10 million and 100 million years ago. The dinosaurs may have already been extinct before those rings took their current shape. In cosmic terms, they are almost brand new, and they are disappearing. Saturn's gravity and solar radiation are pulling ring material inward at a rate that could empty the rings entirely within 100 million years. A cosmic blink. But perhaps the most breathtaking fact of all, the rings cast genuine shadows onto Saturn's surface, shadows that shift with the seasons, marking time on a planet 1.4 billion kilometers from our sun. A structure made of ice and ancient debris, thin as a whisper, wide as a world, casting shadows across a gas giant while we, on our small blue planet, are only just beginning to understand what we are looking at. A reminder, as always, that the universe he created is far more magnificent than anything we could have imagined.